Section 2.5, 2.6, example 8c. Solve 2 times nc2 equals n plus 1 c3. Taking each of those combinations and replacing them into the combination formula, we have 2 times n factorial divided by n minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial equals n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 subtract 3 factorial times 3 factorial. 2 factorials, 2 times 1. We can see that 2 divided by 2, these are going to cancel out. And we have n factorial over n minus 2 factorial equals n plus 1 factorial divided by, and simplifying this one, we have n minus 2 factorial times 3 factorial. 3 factorials, 3 times 2 times 1, 6. We can now cancel the n minus 2 factorial on each side, and we have n factorial equals n plus 1 factorial divided by 6. We can multiply both sides by 6 to get rid of that denominator, and 6 times n factorial equals n plus 1 factorial. We then take the larger factorial. We can see n plus 1 factorial is bigger than n. So I'm going to rewrite n plus 1 factorial as n plus 1 times n factorial. 1 less than n plus 1 is n. Again, we can cancel n factorial on each side, and we are left with 6 equals n plus 1, which is now a very simple linear equation. We subtract 1 from both sides, and n equals